It's April 20th, 2021, and Karen and I went to Polk, Ohio yesterday and Meyer Hatchery, and we picked up some replacement hens for our egg business here. And we have 15 Golden Laced Wyandottes and 13 hens of the Lavender Orpingtons and 2 roosters of that same breed. Also, we picked up some week-old chicks that they sell at a discount that are hopefully the green egg layers. We usually have 2 or 3 of those in our mix. So there's 34 chickens in here, and the Wyandottes, they're kind of a dark brown and black type of a chicken. Looks pretty good. But the Orpingtons, the Lavender Orpingtons, are a rare breed, and the color is rare, and so they sell at a pretty high dollar, actually like $24 to $25 a piece. But there was a mess up on my order, and so Meyer was kind enough to they only had these left, and they were kind enough to give me a discount on these, so that was really nice of them. But anyway, these Lavender Orpingtons are rare, and so they kind of bring a little higher dollar. And so the idea is not only for egg chickens, but also to hatch them. I have some incubators that I'm going to hatch these and see if I can sell them for kind of part of the business here. And anyway, so this is these are the black lace one. Yeah, black laced or golden laced. I'm sorry, golden laced Wyandottes. And then that guy down here is a possibly Easter or green egg chicken. They call them Easter eggers, or Araucanas or Americanas. And then, and again, these little gray-looking yellow are the Lavender Orpingtons, which will turn a lavender color as they mature. And so the colorations are pretty cool. And then over here we have, let's see, we have over here some turkeys that are a little over a week old, and we'll use those as our meat birds too. So, but that's something else to keep us busy here, I guess. But that's it. So thought I'd just share the stuff we're doing here at Barnes Acres.